Hello students, we started with the third unit administrative machinery in India. From the administration, today's topic is state administration. The state administration, which consists of governor, chief minister and council of ministers and secretaries to these offices. We've seen previously a central administration where prime minister, president and cabinet ministers are there. As like same in the state government or state administration, governor, chief minister, council of minister and secretaries are the responsible. The state secretariat, a ministry a ministry may consist of two or more departments and a minister is in charge of this all. The minister is the political head of the department whose administration head is the principal secretary. Principal secretary will be the administrative head in the state administration. The secretariat is located in the state capital and consists of offices of ministers, secretaries, departments and sections. The secretariat is the highest office of the government. The secretariat is divided into the number of administrative departments. It consists of principal secretary, secretary, joint secretary and deputy secretary and under secretary. The number of secretariat departments differ from state to state. These secretariats, because every state has having a number of parliament members varies, population is vary, so the secretaries of the different departments changes from state to state. Smaller state is there, then the number of secretaries will be less. If the population is more of any one of a state, then the secretaries will be more. Now, few departments are common to the most of the states, and those are home and transport, education, forest, agriculture, labor and employment, energy, corporation and social welfare. How in the central administration, cabinet secretary is the head. In the state, there is a chief secretary is the head of the secretariat in every state. Cabinet secretary for central administration and chief secretary in the state administration. He is in charge of the administrative setup. His authority includes all departments of secretariat. By the reason his experience and standing is able to sort of difficulties and functions to give general guideline to the officers. Now this chief secretary, what his role and what are the functions at the state administration? Even 5-mark question may ask for that. Explain the role or the functions of the chief secretary. So students, you have to write the following functions. So functions of the chief secretaries are as follows. He is a principal advisor to the chief minister. All the guidelines will be given to the chief minister by the chief secretary. He acts as the cabinet secretary and the only person who attend the cabinet meeting. He exercises general supervision and control over the entire secretariat. Whole secretariat will be seen and supervised by this chief secretariat. He looks all the matters beyond the purview of other secretaries. Yes, in one ministry, number of the secretariats comes. These all the secretariats will be looked after by this chief secretariat. He has the control over the staff attached to the ministers. All the civil servants comes under his control. He is the bridge between the state and center or other state governments. Yeah, central government, whatever the orders will give, that will be informed to the other staffs of the state by the chief secretariat. He receives confidential communication from the government of India and convey them to the chief minister. He is a link between central and state, as well as he will give the guideline to the chief minister also, and whatever the confidential matters given by the central government, he will convey to the chief minister of the state. This is the role of the chief secretary. Thank you.